Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics that often fix a 400 server error. Check the YouTube app or browser version and install updates. Outdated clients can trigger bad requests. Once done, clear cache and cookies on the device or the app storage. This removes corrupted session data. Then switch networks, toggle from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or try a different Wi-Fi. This isolates whether the problem is local network routing or device state, and it often restores normal requests quickly. Next, dive into account and network resolution issues that cause 400 responses. Sign out of YouTube and sign back in to refresh tokens. Try a different Google account to rule out profile-specific errors. Then reset DNS by switching to a public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1. 1 and flush the device DNS cache so domain lookups aren't stale. Also disable VPNs, proxies, or browser extensions temporarily, because altered headers or blocked endpoints can make the server reject requests. To finish, reinstall the YouTube app or use an incognito/private browser window to eliminate remaining local config problems. This gives a clean profile. Verify YouTube service status and API quotas. Widespread outages or quota limits can return 400 errors. If the issue persists, reproduce the error, save logs and screenshots, and contact YouTube support with exact timestamps and device info. One troubleshooting tip. If nothing fixes it, try a different device on the same network to determine whether it's device-specific or network/server related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.